Hi everyone, hi PreK, KG1 and KG2s. Hope you all had a lovely week and you're ready for the PYP awards and you're ready also for next week. We might have a few days off to celebrate Eid. So I hope everybody's doing great. I love the displays that you guys made with your kindness links. They're amazing and I've got so many extra ones in my office. Guys are all super kind to each other and to us as well, to all the teachers. So thank you so much for all of those, and our display looks amazing. Right, let's get started with the PYP awards for this week. So we have PreK. We have Zirwa is getting a risk taker award for showing more confidence and independence in your work. Well done, Zirwa. So proud to watch you take risks, challenging yourself without asking for any help. Keep it up. Amazing. Isa is getting a caring award for always having open arms and showing affection to friends when they're upset and including others in your play. So lovely to see, Isa, and very proud of how caring you are. In PreK B, we have Sophia is getting a resilient award. Sophia has made us all proud with her cheerful entry to school these last few weeks. She is now able to walk into her class independently and we are super proud of her. Well done. Iyad is getting a communicator award for sharing more of his thoughts and experiences without hesitation and with such confidence and with all his classmates and teachers. Wow, sorry, long sentence. We have loved hearing you speak up, Iyad. Well done. And we have Milena is getting a communicator award for being a confident communicator and sharing her thoughts with her friends and teachers. And this is the new class, so well done PreK C for getting your first awards. We have Miran is getting a knowledgeable award. He's always able to tell his friends what he has learnt in class and he's happy to share his knowledge during group discussions. Well done, Miran. Amazing. Now we have KG1. We have Salim is getting a responsible award. We can always rely on Salim to help with jobs in the classroom, looked after friends who need help and make sure that everything is right and everything is going well. So that's amazing. We have Ricardo is getting a caring award. He's always concerned about his friends' happiness and wants to make people smile. He comes into the classroom with the biggest smile on his face, so that's lovely. Well done, Ricardo. KG1B, we have Abed is getting a true principled award because he is a true role model to his peers as he's always making responsible choices and set a great example. Well done. We have Luca is getting a knowledgeable award. Luca should be very proud of himself this week as he displayed some wonderful knowledge about pattern in maths. Wow. Some great learning happening this week as well. Ella is getting a principled award in KG1C. Ella always makes sensible choices in school and she is such a role model. Well done. And Zaki is getting a caring award. He is so caring and such a wonderful friend and he's always looking out for others. Well done, Zaki. Mary Jo is getting a principled award in KG1D for always setting the example for everyone else. Well done. And Ali is getting a Thinker Award for making connections with previous learning and always thinking how we can use our learning in our days at school. Well done, Ali. We have KG1E is Arian is getting a Thinker Award. Arian is eager to work and complete the tasks. He likes writing and works hard during maths lessons. So that's Arian K. Well done. Zara is getting a Principled Award. Zara is always listening. She always makes good choices and she is a great role model for her classmates. Well done, Zara. In KG1F, we have Ane is getting an Inquirer Award. She has been asking so many questions, inquiring about learning and connecting it to the real world around us. Amazing. Wow. And we have Yug is getting a Thinker Award. Yug has been great in making connections with prior learning and new topics. He has been fantastic sharing his thoughts and opinions with his friends and teachers. Now we have KG2. We have Mishti is getting a Risk Taker Award for showing true dedication during writing tasks. You have shown a lot of progression in your work and it's amazing and it's getting so good. So well done, Mishti. Annika is getting a Inquirer Award for asking lots of great questions to further her learning. Well done, Annika. Bruna in KG2B. Bruna's getting a Thinker Award for confidently sharing her understanding of kindness and explains how we can be kind at school, at home, and in our community. Well done, Bruna. Amazing. We've got such kind children in this school. Sophia is getting a Communicator Award. Sophia is a fantastic communicator. She's eager to take part in class discussions and she always completes her activities to the best of her ability. Well done. And we have Rewa is getting a Risk Taker Award. He's always open-minded, trying new things and a big risk taker and always asks questions about trying different cultures. Excellent. And we have Aras is getting a Resilient Award. Aras is always trying hard and showing true dedication to his learning. Well done for never giving up. I think some of you guys are on your second award, so well done. KG2D, we have Mila is getting a Caring Award for making an extra effort during school to be kind and caring to her friends. And Tariq is getting a Caring Award. Tariq has been super helpful, kind and caring over Ramadan, helping his family out with different tasks around the house. Wow, super caring. And it's the month of giving and being caring, isn't it? So that's amazing. Ahana in KG2E is getting a Caring Award for sharing many acts of kindness during our 30 Days of Kindness Challenge for Ramadan. I also love your display, KG2, of your 30 Days of Kindness. It looks amazing. And Omar is getting a Caring Award for taking action in the KG2 Kindness Challenge by making food parcels, which he donated for Ramadan. Wow. And we have KG2F. Kyra is getting a Communicator Award for always explaining her ideas and answers in great detail. Kyra shows a positive attitude towards every aspect of her learning. Excellent work, keep it up. And Yassine is getting an Inquirer Award. Yassine is always ready to find out more. He's very curious and loves to ask questions. So well done, Yassine, keep it up. So well done everybody on your certificates this week. Amazing job. Continue with all of these amazing things that you're doing and we will see you very soon. Have a great weekend and have a great Eid. Okay, see you soon.